Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm up with one of the most important topics to be discussed, that is the importance of vitamins and minerals in your diet. So in the kind of life that we live, and especially when we're on a weight loss journey, we tend to ignore the importance of vitamins and minerals in our diet, which is the most important thing to be considered. Up with a video wherein we are going to talk about the importance, and we'll make sure that you know how much vitamins and minerals are actually required and what should be its daily intake and what is the best way to consume them. So yes, I hope you will find this video useful. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I make healthy and fitness related content, many fitness challenges on this channel, so hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. And yes, let's get into the video. So we all know about aging, right? Aging is something that we will all go through. It's an inevitable process. Today or tomorrow, we all have to face it. But the most important thing here is that we know how to deal with it, how to make it worth living, and how to enjoy that entire journey. You might know that with aging there comes a lot of problems. You have joint pains, back pains, you have weak eyesight, some people face wrinkle problems, many other things that are the consequences of not having proper vitamins and minerals in your diet. Today you might not feel giving that much importance to vitamins and minerals in your diet, but when you age or when the process of that aging occurs, you will start feeling the actual consequences of not giving that much importance. So yes, it's very important that you maintain a good and adequate amount of vitamins and minerals in your diet, because those are those substances which are really essential for your body to function, for your body to recover, for your body to do every possible thing and make sure that it runs smoothly. Most of the people can meet their daily requirements by having green leafy vegetables, lots of fruits in their diet, and eating healthy basically. So you can get all the important vitamins and minerals. But even after you are having that much amount of healthy diet, some people are not able to fulfill the requirement of vitamins and minerals in their body. For example, I eat all kinds of green leafy vegetables, I eat all kinds of fruits, I am a fruit girl, but still I am deficient in vitamin B12. And that's why that is the time when I have to go for multivitamin. Because it's a simple mathematics. There is a requirement, that is the requirement of your nutrients, the basic vitamins and minerals requirement of your body, and the amount that you give it to it for its fulfillment. If there is a difference, your body will lack those nutrients. If you give it in appropriate amount, your body will function normally and you will not face any problem of like joint pain, knee pain, cervical, many other problems that are the consequences of not giving proper nutrition to your body. Hair fall is one of the major consequences of not having proper vitamin and minerals in your diet, and many people face this in their weight loss journeys because they lack in nutrition, and that's why hair fall is one of the major consequences. So it's important that you maintain a good and an adequate amount of vitamin and minerals as per the daily requirement of your body. Now I get so many messages from all of you that you have knee pain, you are facing the joint pains, back pain, hair fall problems. So you need to go for multivitamins and vitamin supplements, because the nutritional requirement of your body is not fulfilled by the food that you're eating. So it's important that you go for some important multivitamin supplements to make sure that your daily requirement is fulfilled.
So the multivitamins that I'm using currently is this from Zenith Nutrition Daily Active Multiple Gummies. The reason why I like them is because they are a candy sort of structure and they are really tasty in taste. It feels like I'm having a candy and doesn't feel like I'm having any multivitamin tablet. And it has all the essential vitamins and minerals in the optimal quantity considering RDA. So talking about its nutrition, it has vitamin A, B5, B12, C, D, E, folic acid, iodine, magnesium, zinc, sodium, and very important, it's free of gluten, proteins, trans fat, saturated fats, cholesterol. So yes, collectively it's very important for promoting my immunity, and I want my bones to be strong, my eyesight to be in place, and that's why I would recommend this to all of you as well. So you can find the link in my description if you want to check them out.
Now, how to take supplements. The very important thing that comes into play while you take any supplement for vitamins and minerals is that you read the label very carefully. You understand the requirement of your body and then you consume it. Some people overdo it. Some people actually don't know how to consume it. So there is a confusion that actually creates a problem. So it's important that you read the label correctly. You read the label and understand what's there inside that supplement, what is that it's going to offer, and then you consume it. Reading the label comes as a very prior and an important step to consuming the vitamins and mineral supplement. So it's important that you read the label carefully, you understand your requirement and your daily intake, and then you consume it. So now I'm going to list all the vitamins and minerals and the deficiencies it can cause, so that you understand your body and what problem that you're going through. Sometimes you're going through an hair fall and you don't know what kind of deficiency it is. Sometimes you might be deficient in biotin. That's it about this video. I hope you find it useful. It was something that I find very important, essential as vitamins and minerals in your diet. So yes, I hope you will take something out of it and make sure that you get ample amount of those quantities of vitamins and minerals in your diet. So yes, do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along so that you never miss any update from my channel. Also, do send me your post-workout pictures on my Instagram. I will be waiting for all of you and your transformation pictures. So yes, bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.